Hello. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything, so I thought I would just show this little thing that I've been working on that I'm super pleased how it turned out. I just kind of made it on a whim. What you are looking at is a hat for a Raspberry Pi, and I just made this on a whim. It says heartbeat, sound, stream, playing, run, DMX, and power. Those are different things that the creature controller can do. So if I click the button on my software to start streaming, it shows that it's currently streaming, it's currently receiving streaming frames, and the DMX light means that it is transmitted a DMX frame within the last 20 milliseconds. If I stop streaming, it stops. And then I can click the play animation on the server, and now you can see that it's streaming DMX frames and it's playing a sound at the same time. Unfortunately, I don't have speakers hooked up right now. And the playing light will eventually work too. I haven't written the code for that yet either. But this is really neat. I just kind of made it on a whim. So, oh, and run means that the event loop is going. If the event loop stops, then it will stop too. And power means that the board's getting power. So I just wanted to show I'm like super happy with this little thing. Bye.